Organizational change is often described by three varying degrees of scope. Those are incremental, transitional, or transformational, with transformational change often impacting everyone within an organization. That's a lot bigger than simply trying to get a few teachers to try a new app or even adopt a new curriculum resource. Because of its scope, transformational change often impacts the very culture of an organization. Change leaders need to clearly know what they want to do and why the change is important. In order to be successful, every person in the organization has to understand their role in the change effort and how the change might impact them. That can be challenging to some people, so coaches supporting transformational change have to truly understand the vision for change so they can bring what it looks and sounds like to a conscious level for others. Because transformational change impacts everyone in an organization, everyone owns it. Coaches may have significant roles because, as noted earlier, they often serve as a bridge between building leaders and teachers, students, and others in the building. Review the resources in the goal-setting handout and determine what you can do to meet your goals to support transformational change in your building.